is only to make ourselves aware of the statutory provisions available for us, especially for arbitration and also recovery of our dues from the members. We were of the opinion till now that we have an access to cooperative department. People feel it is a blessing because of their speedy decisions and giving awards in respect of the applications filed by us. This is what is provided in Cooperative Societies Act. Most of us are only under 64, or all of us perhaps are under 64 here. And as per section 61 or 71, the provision is there for arbitration by cooperative department. But one thing we have been missing is the enactment of RDB Act in 1993, which is applicable to cooperative banks also. And even after the constitutional amendments that clarified that role of the cooperative department is only for registration, maintenance and winding up of the societies. They cannot play any role in respect of the banking related issues. That means this arbitration authority or arbitration powers of the corporate department, they cannot be continued as we have been expecting and experiencing till now. The latest developments in this regard, the Supreme Court also has clarified that we are confined to RDB Act as far as recovery is concerned. But in RDB Act, it was earlier stated that 10 lakhs and above can be referred to them. That means all the applications in respect of 10 lakhs and above claims against our members can be referred to RDB Act. And thereafter it is changed to 20 lakhs because of the accumulated cases in DRTs. Therefore, we cannot approach cooperative department for 20 lakhs and above cases as on now. We have to invariably apply. He is very anxious to convey that surface is a remedy for us. No doubt, many banks have not been availing the facility, not been availing the provisions of Surface Act, and my friend's anxiety is to drive us towards that. I don't differ with him as far as enforcement of Surface Act is concerned. But one thing we should keep in our mind is the Surface Act is only to enforce the security. That means disposal of security and recovery of the dues. To that extent, Surface Act enables us. Whereas the 61 or 71, the applications we file against members, that kind of a facility cannot be availed under Surface Act. For that, we have to again apply for before DRT under RDB Act. That means if you are satisfied with the security available, whether it is enforced or not, that means if it is auctioned or if it is sold, some amount has come. If you are satisfied with that, you can just forget about further proceedings under that. Suppose if the realization is not commensurate with the or not that does not satisfy or meet the liability, you will not have any option other than keeping quiet. If you say Surface is the only recourse for us. Therefore, I am not underestimating or not undermining the importance of Surface Act. Surface Act should that should be availed of. Further, whatever we are making applications before courts is not only just to get the property sold. Sometimes security is insufficient. Even after realization from Surface proceedings, we have to go to courts, or sometimes even establishing the what we can say rights of the banker. We need to go to courts to get some judgments. Therefore, for that, what we were doing earlier is approaching cooperative department. Now that is in question. Therefore, availing Surface provisions, no doubt we should continue to do that. Similarly, if at all we have to approach a court for any decision in respect of our disputes with the borrowers, we have to go to DRT only. That means we have to apply under RDB Act for any kind of a decision in respect of any disputes in respect of loans we have given. It is very clear recently, last year, both Andhra Pradesh High Court and the Telangana High Court also gave judgment saying that we cannot continue to go to cooperative department. Even cooperative tribunals also have given judgments. Vijayawada Tribunal has given a clear judgment. Whatever judgments they have given earlier also, they nullified that. Even in Hyderabad Cooperative Tribunal, we have filed cases saying that the cooperative department does not have any power. Therefore, whatever judgments they declared, they should be declared void. Therefore, my only purpose of bringing these facts to your notice is cooperative department cannot give judgments. And even if we go pretending as if they have power, we believe as if they have power, and they may give pretending as if they have power, they may give some judgments also, but I caution you, they will not be valid in future. Therefore, we should prefer to go to DRT ourselves if at all we have to get some judgments in favor of us in respect of any loans. Simultaneously, without going to DRT, what our friends have been propagating is disposal of properties. For that purpose, we can straight away make use of SARFAESI without going to any court, enforce the securities and sell them. Under that also, one or two points I would like to add. This SARFAESI Act is so nice, so accommodative, even without going for public auction or public tenders, a bank can sell the properties also, even without the consent of the borrower. The only thing that the Act provides is you can have an arrangement with the buyer who is in no way consent till now. Anyone, if you can identify, if you come to an understanding and make your, what we can say, proposal in writing, it can be done also. That is as simple as that. Then another thing I would like to bring to your notice is not only disposal of the properties, if at all we cannot dispose of the properties for want of bidders, the banks themselves can buy by participating in public auctions. That means once a sale is put to, if the property is not sold for the price fixed at, that means there is no taker, it can be postponed without lowering the price, that is the reserve price. Thereafter, the bank can also bid, bank can participate in the biddings and purchase these properties. What we did last time in the last March is, I gave the slogan either sell or buy. For any reason the bank cannot sell any property, let the bank buy. Navbharat Bank has bought 9 properties last March. Thank you all.